So you wanted to use the Claude code with the actual WordPress. The process actually is going to be really simple, and of course you don't need to get an actual pay plan to get started. So the first thing you're going to be doing here is to have access directly into my Claude AI, which we already now inside here. Now we can start in a specific chat, and once we are directly inside here, what you wanted to do is to go directly inside my actual new tab, which is my WordPress. Inside here, what you can do, let's say that I wanted to get started customizing my code specifically for an actual page directly inside Claude. For this, I wanted to go directly inside here, this element. I wanted to select all my pages, and I'm going to try to delete this because I don't need those anymore, right? So when I have a specific page that I would like to use to get started, let's say that I go for adding an actual page. So let's go for add page. My page is directly inside here. If I go for edit, we'll be now directly into the editor mode. Whether this is from Elementor or you wanted to edit this with WordPress, the process actually is going to be really simple. So inside here, I'm going to go for the element that says plus. And here you want her to go for the element that says code. Inside my code, this is the actual code that I'm going to be using, which is my custom HTML file. This will be just like a drag and drop element, so I can just select the element and edit it directly inside here. Once we have now the element here already been added, let's go back directly into my Claude elements. Inside my Claude, usually what I do is to send them a specific prompt. For example, act as an elite UI UX designer and a premium front-end developer. So basically I asked to design a column pricing table section for a modern product. So I just gave them the instruction of how I would like the design to actually look, and the actual animation that actually works when it comes directly into the hover. Then I want the output this as a self-container, so I can put the CSS wrap into the style, so I can copy this element and paste it directly into my actual website. So as you can see, here is the actual element that actually works really fine. So what I did now is to select this specific code, which in this case here is going to be giving you this specific pricing table in this case, and it gives you the visual preview. So I go for the element that says code, and this is the actual element that we are actually looking for. I'm going to copy this specific code. I'm going to head over back directly into my WordPress website, and directly inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is to paste the actual HTML code that I have just used. In this case, I'm going to head over back into the custom HTML file, and I paste from the CSS. Check out how automatically it appears my actual plan. So when I hit into update, it will be now available directly inside here. So just in case you wanted to go and make some changes, you can go back directly into the Claude.ai, go into the HTML file and try to make the changes your own. Or you can ask, for example, to change a little bit more about the elements, change the actual colors, change the prices, change the benefits, wherever, and it's going to be giving you a new code that you can copy and paste directly inside here. Or what I do, if you already know about coding, just click into edit the code, and if you wanted to go from something specific, you can go directly into this specific element of the coding. So you can just change that specific element, and you can just save that stuff, and you're actually good to go. So just in case you have any question, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. That's a really awesome way to get started with WordPress. If you have any specific questions about marketing, about getting started with more the sidekick, the actual dashboard, the CEO of your website, you can use the actual element of the Claude to make this process much faster. Now, what I can suggest you, that just in case that you're going to be using Claude a lot with WordPress, you wanted to get started with an actual new project, so every time you want to have any specific questions, it will be specifically only for this specific WordPress website, so you can have everything directly only into one specific chat. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you next time.